Mice flow. Roach gang. Yeah. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Roach gang. 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 Yeah. Under the fridge is worm stain. Ooh. Bitch, you know I ain't playing. Yeah. I like water with sugar cane. Ooh. Nuclear bomb out of Bill Payne. Yeah. I can't fly cause I'm not a plane. Ooh. I like crumbs and candy stains. Yeah. Roach gang. Roach gang. Roach gang. Roach gang. Roach gang. Roach gang. Under the fridge is worm stain. Ooh. Bitch, you know I ain't playing. Yeah. I like water with sugar cane. Ooh. Nuclear bomb out of Bill Payne. Yeah. I can't fly cause I'm not a plane. Ooh. Like to eat crumbs and candy stains. Yeah. Roach gang. 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 Climbing through your air vent. Ooh. I could smell that sugar scent. Yeah. Still the best of the insects. Best. Me and my fam like to lay eggs. None of this food be new to me. Nope. Eat it up, even if it's ruining. Yeah. Bitch paid raid and add on my family. Fuck raid and Avion's company. Roach gang. 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 Climbing up your walls and ceiling gives me a good feeling. All y'all niggas kneeling. All y'all niggas kneeling. They kick me out on the ground with a Nike. I don't understand why they don't like me. I told them, bitch, come fight me. Big Roach, still the main G. I'm healthy, don't need surgery. Mice flow. Roach gang. Yeah. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Roach gang. 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 Yeah. Under the fridge is worm stain. Ooh. Bitch, you know I ain't playing. Yeah. I like water with sugar cane. Ooh. Nuclear bomb out of Bill Payne. Yeah. I can't fly cause I'm not a plane. Ooh. I like crumbs and candy stains. Yeah. Roach gang. Roach gang. Roach gang. Roach gang. Roach gang. Roach gang. Under the fridge is worm stain. Ooh. Bitch, you know I ain't playing. Yeah. I like water with sugar cane. Ooh. Nuclear bomb out of Bill Payne. Yeah. I can't fly cause I'm not a plane. Ooh. Like to eat crumbs and candy stains. Yeah. Roach gang. 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 Climbing through your air vent. Ooh. I could smell that sugar scent. Yeah. Still the best of the insects. Best. Me and my fam like to lay eggs. None of this food be new to me. Nope. Eat it up, even if it's ruining. Bitch paid raid and add on my family. Fuck raid and Avion's company. Roach gang. 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 Climbing up your walls and ceiling gives me a good feeling. All y'all niggas kneeling. All y'all niggas kneeling. They kick me out on the ground with a Nike. I don't understand why they don't like me. I told them, bitch, come fight me. Big Roach, still the main G. I'm healthy, don't need surgery. Mice flow. Roach gang. Yeah. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Roach gang. 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 Yeah. Under the fridge is worm stain. Ooh. Bitch, you know I ain't playing. Yeah. I like water with sugar cane. Ooh.
Gang, what's going on, guys? Let me throw up what I'm watching right now. Just watching Stock Sniper do his thing. I got a pretty slow day today. It's supposed to be a bank holiday. But let's see what we could catch. Let's see what we could catch real quick. Get out of here.
Thank you so much. You guys have been a great audience. Okay.
Right now I see an ascending triangle on the
Okay.
charts. I don't see anything
Alright,
crazy
guys.
happening.
So you can see here, got a lot of love for Nasdaq. Got a lot of Nasdaq here, guys. Okay, so we'll take a peek at GU for 1 second. Getting some resistance here, looking at sells. Okay, so there's the float. Okay, getting pushed right back down here, guys. Probably coming back down. See the 4-hour resistance here? Nothing happened. Nice push down movement starting to slowly close below the 9. Okay, so let's just watch and see how this is going to move, guys. So we got a lot of Nasdaq here. Okay, we're going to head over and probably do Nasdaq. Alright. Get nasty going on a top down. Okay, this is what you want to trade right here, guys. Okay. Alright, so this is what we're going to trade. Maybe it'd be better to do a market open here. We're not going to do BTC, guys, no, for sure. We'll do Nasdaq. We'll get it done, just pre-market. No issues here. Okay, nice demand. Do you guys see though how on GU that if you just wait a little bit, you watch price, okay? Sometimes you might wait too long and then the move passes
So I don't
you
really
by,
trade
but again,
stocks
it's you're
or
not
anything
waiting
like
through
that,
a loss. You're not
but
jumping in
I
right
want to
away.
get into it.
Having
So
patience
just
will
learning.
allow you to find better trade setups that fit your strategy, guys. That's the key thing here, is fitting your strategy
It's all reading a chart, you know.
for these types of trades, okay?
And I feel like I could read the chart, so I don't really.
So let's take a look now, guys. You can see
Doesn't
we have
matter
nice
to me
hourly
what it is.
support in and around this area here.
I
I
see the
high
same
daily here
evidence. I will
coming.
get in the same way.
Okay, nice daily
But
support
I know
level
they
here.
kind of move different, and there's just different terms and different stuff to know about it. So
Okay, you can see we have a
just
nice
wanna get
long
well
rejection
rounded.
area right here, long wick here, and then we have one long preceding wick. This body is closing below this previous wick right here. Okay. Alright, so let's take a look now at the 4-hour. There we go. Okay, let's just watch. I want to see this one area. Okay, got some daily resistance here. There we go, as I was missing. Okay, now we have our 4-hour resistance. Okay, I see a nice support. Look at that gap up right there, guys. It might not be. It might just be only on mine. Okay, so keep that in mind. That might just be only on mine. Okay, I do see a nice level here for hourly and 4-hour support. Okay, so I got a 4-hour support level right down here. Okay, nice trend here on Nasdaq so far, guys. Okay, yeah, it's a Juneteenth holiday, guys, for the US. Okay, let's go to the hourly now. This is what I'm looking at right here. Okay, so 1-hour support. Okay, nice consolidation. Alright, guys. You can see here on the hourly, price is not doing anything at this time. Alright, This is just in and out chop session here. This is where accounts tend to not last if we want to focus on finding trades and not letting the trades come to us. Okay. Gotta watch, make sure that we're following all these key levels here if we're looking at taking any kind of trades. Okay. I see nice support here. All right, on the 30-minute. See resistance levels coming in already at the 4 hour. We'll drop down to the 15, see how we're looking. Okay, there we go. Have some 15-minute resistance here.
What's happening over there?
Good. Let's take a look at our 5-minute. Okay, guys, so just very similar to everything else. It's a nice consolidation. Okay, you can see. Alright, guys. So let's watch and see if Nasdaq can get a nice little move. Okay. I want to see if we can break that 15-minute resistance and start to push up. If not, okay, they're going to get that heavy resistance at the 15 and start to push price back down to that hourly. You can see where we're at. We're right around that 50 line. That's exactly kind of where I had a feeling we were. All right, just based on the moves. So 50.
Let's check out the news real quick. Need to send this to Gavin.
Okay, so nice demand area kicking in here. Multiple touches here, guys. Multiple wick attempts to break. Multiple pushes into this consolidation. So if we break out of here, guys, this might be quick pips. Make sure to check your spreads too. Okay, your spreads could be higher than normal. All right, simple because of this kind of holiday that we have going on here. I haven't done anything, guys. Brian, I'm not too sure, man. We're gonna watch. Okay, so we'll leave this. I'm just gonna mark some levels just below here, okay? So if we break here, I'm gonna add an alarm. Okay, if we start to break above here,
And that's what I gotta start doing. Like, I got all these sections on my chart that I really want to stay focused and only trade in. And then I just gotta put on some alerts so you don't necessarily have to watch the chart so much. Kind of tell you, you know.
Okay, so remember we talked coming to that 15-minute trend. If you guys are just signing on here, okay, these are the key levels that we're looking at right here, okay? Potential opportunity buy above here, 226.7576 area, which is the 4-hour resistance. Price can push up, okay? You can see how it got rejected here. Nothing closed above, okay? So they tried to push it here, closed below. This was the area where we thought that price could maybe get that little bit of impulse push. You can see by this bottom wick right here, it pierced through the resistance after breaking past, and then it sent it into this overall downtrend. So guys, if we're looking at potential gold sells below here, we have to break this overall trend line, okay? If not, then price is just going to continue to the upside, okay, bounce off here and then walk, using this as a potential neckline, okay? So let's just watch, wait and see. Bitcoin's at 20,000, guys. You can see right here. Okay, GU look like it can fall. Alright, so if we get a nice little short opportunity on GU, it's going to be right down here, breaking that trend. Let's watch and see. Okay, and we'll focus on Checky Goldie here, 1839. Okay. Multiple attempts to break, guys. Look at this right here. Okay, see a nice level of support starting to hold. another rejection. Guys, we can only do so much today, and then it's kind of just a realization that price is gonna have these types of moves. So guys, remember, in about 13 minutes here we got that EU news. Okay, so let's just see if we can maybe bank off something like this. All right, there's Nasdaq. Okay, let's see, go check out Nasty. Okay, there's the break above, guys. So if we're going to continue, okay, we got to hold above here. There's that nice dip. Okay, nice trend starting to hold here. Okay, we need to get a continuation. All right, you can see massive impulse, push right back down. So if we hold above here, guys, price can start to walk to the upside. If not, they're going to push it right back down in here. Okay, if they break this, we're coming back down bearish. All right, but it looks like a nice potential W pattern. Okay. I'm sure gold messed people up. Well, if it messed you up that bad, guys, it just means you're over leveraging. You know what I mean? Okay, there's the break, bullish on Nasdaq, looking good. Okay, so here's the new candle going to open up, guys, in about a minute. I want to see what's going on here. It looks very promising to push, okay, at least to that 4 hour. Elvin, I am, yeah. Okay, look at this head fake, guys. Same thing that just happened with, I believe it was GU. Tried to make my losses back on gold. Guys, honestly, like today, it's probably not the best day. If you guys look up worst times to trade, it is during a US holiday. I said it straight on the stream at the beginning, so if you guys didn't catch it like that, just said maybe take a step back here, use like, you know, 3/4 of what you were doing. You know, it's a Monday. Mondays are usually good on GU for sure, okay, and gold. All right, but now we just got to see if the news, the bank holiday is going to have a major impact, and as you can see, it's starting to. Okay, guys, so if we hold above here, I believe Nasdaq can at least start to push back up. Okay, so let's just watch. Need to get above here, guys. Okay, I entered in a small Nasdaq buy, small lot size. Okay, GU starting to push a little bit too. All right. Pushing right back down to the entry. 15-minute close rejection. Okay, right back down to that trend line. Okay, so pushing right back down to looking at the 15-minute support level. It was once resistance, now acting as support. Okay, let's see how this move is going to happen here. Gold's looking good too, guys. Gold's pushing down. Let's take one quick second to look at gold. We'll monitor this, guys. We still have the same alarms right here set. We're good. Okay, so we push back down, and here we have another alarm right back down at that 30-minute support. For everyone looking to buy gold, you got to remember that there's a lot of rejection coming in. Okay, see a nice little trend starting to form on gold here. This is what I want to see. Okay, about 2 minutes, guys. We're coming into 9 a.m., so we've got nothing here. No movement. All right. Based on any kind of instrument here. We're looking at Nasdaq, okay? You can see gold, you can see GU. Everything is pretty straight up, okay? It's telling us to wait. Nasdaq's looking bearish, guys, so this thing comes down here looking good. We can fill all the way down to 11,299. There's Nasdaq coming to it, so I was looking for it right now. I want to check Nasdaq. Okay, guys, if we break, there it goes, guys. If we break this 30-minute support, this thing's coming back down hard. Okay, so this is perfect. Okay, setup here. So I'm gonna take a short-term sell on Nasdaq. Small lot size. I want to see if this is gonna make a move here right before market open. Right before market open. It's going to be a very small lot size, guys.
Order filled.
I just
Okay, watch your spreads and everything on
let me
Nas.
take this off. I'm looking at the same thing he's looking at.
Gold starting to sell off here, and Nasdaq is selling off. There it goes, guys. Okay, that was the 30-minute support. I'm looking for it to come right back down here.
Looking for it to come down to here.
Let's see, guys. Okay, I'm running 2 pips still, and you can see a nice little impulse drop getting held up at this wick right here.
Come on. Looking for it to break back down
Okay, that's a
below
dirty,
that
dirty
low.
wick, guys. See that thing dropped? Okay, I'm still running at least 1 pip, but that thing is huge, guys. Huge long wick. There's GBP. Huge sell-off here on GU2. Okay. Let's watch and see if we can get the continuation. And you can see GU, guys. Hardcore selling off, trying to break that trend. Okay. Okay, you can see pushing back down. Alright, now we're on that key trend line, guys. Okay, this is that 15-minute area. This was that specific level that I told you. Okay, that this is the 15-minute uptrend. We gotta watch and be very careful here. Okay.
Order submitted.
Come on, push down and break it.
Okay, there's Nasty.
Come
Let's
on,
take a
break
peek.
it.
There we go, guys.
Come on, give me that break. We're looking for it to travel back down the support area there. 350.
I just read that the Pope may be re-signing.
Just gonna
Not too
let it
sure
rock.
now.
Whatever
I didn't see
happens.
anything, guys. If you saw more on that, let us know. Okay, guys, I'm running on Nasdaq. Okay, want a nice drop entry here. See if we can get a continuation. If not, guys, add this to your TP. Don't get greedy here. Price can come back up. It's coming into that 856.
Come on, buddy. I thought you wanted to drop. Come on.
Alright, I'm not too sure, guys. So, guys, look at snagging some of this. If you guys got anywhere in this support level here, don't get greedy. Okay, it's running about maybe 5-7 pips here. I'm running 4 currently. Okay, you can see it dropped about 7, 8.
There we go. How we hold?
guys.
Now
See if we can get down to that
baby.
hourly support.
Right.
Because the new 9 a.m. candle, guys, I'm going to secure some of this. Gold is starting to
That was
sell
a
off too.
snack. Good thing to be watching this dude today. I was just looking at the same thing. It's good to see people have the same ideas as you. Especially who's someone who's been doing this longer and, you know, more knowledgeable than yourself.
Okay, they're
We
not,
get stopped
they're
out,
not
it's in the
dropping
green.
below here. There's a lot of wick. It's still 2 minutes. Okay, so I told you, don't get greedy here. We're looking for this hourly tap, but again, look at the momentum. Price is starting to push. Okay, in terms of the overall support level at the previous level here. So there's still about 1:50. Give us some time. Okay, slowly.
Slowly dropping for real. $115.
There we go. Just under a minute now, guys.
I gotta
quick
do some
scalp
meditation.
before 9 a.m. All right.
Usually don't take these trades.
Let's take a look where we're at near the 200, just so you can see. There it goes, guys. So you can just see people are asking about it. So the blue line is the 200 exponential moving average. Okay. Just under 15 seconds now. All right. Everything is moving like a slug today. Here is the new candle open. Okay, let's see if we can tap that support. There it goes, guys. Okay, just then it flipped. So remember I told you to secure? Look what's coming to. Previous structure where price has made a nice little bullish push. Okay, I still believe if it holds below here, they're going to get the rejection momentum. There's a lot of power coming in here. Okay, let's just watch and see. My trade is still running. I'm about 8 pips. Okay, this is the general area where price in previous structure to the left here at 5:45 has started to flip this bullish. Okay, let's just add a demand. All right. Gold is starting to reverse too. Let's go take a peek at gold, guys. So look to secure this. This thing dropped maybe around 10 pips. Okay, you can see almost 10, 11, depending on your spreading commission when you got in. Okay, so don't get greedy on this. Price can still drop. It can tap to 200 EMA, no problem. But you guys, you can see the demand level starting to form a little bit more support. Okay.
Yeah, we'll just leave it. They stop us
Take a
out. They
peek on
stop us
gold.
out.
Back at 1838 now.
Let's do our
Okay.
meditation, baby. If they stop us out, they stop us out.
Order filled. Order canceled.
We Gucci. We have 5 for the day.
Order canceled. Order canceled.
That's a little sim trade we had. Yeah, for a sec. I'm about to do some meditation. This is craziness. They can't decide whether they want it to be bearish or bullish.
It's 11:45 Eastern, and I
Better
just finished trading
move
for
up.
the day. Want to see how I did it?
Gratitude meditation. Begin by getting into a
Ash, you want to join this? Huh? What? So do you want to join? Slide through, let's go.
Order filled.
Let's try it once more and see what happens. We take the trade, we hold the trade. Starting to see some more drop here. I just want to know. Got in the trade a bit early today. Said I got in the trade a bit early today. Like I'm in the trade right now. Just to see what happens. Alright, I'll put this stop to break even and then we do this.
Comfortable seated position. Gratitude meditation. Begin by getting into a comfortable seated position. Elongate your spine. Let your hands rest comfortably in your lap. And softly close your eyes.
Order canceled.
Bring all of your awareness into your breath. Notice how it flows in and out. And on your next inhale, be more intentional with your breath, allowing it to flow all the way down, stomach expanding, and then your rib cage expanding. Holding it at the top, and whenever you're ready, releasing with a sigh. And at the bottom of that breath, repeat this again. Long, deep inhale, stomach and rib cage expanding. Breath is held at the top for however long feels right to you. And then exhale powerfully with a sigh when you're ready. And whenever you reach the bottom of that breath, do this just one more time. Extra deep inhale, really make it count. Stomach and rib cage expanding. Breath is held at the top. Then whenever it feels right to you, let it all go with a sigh. At the bottom of this breath, just return to a pattern of breathing that's comfortable for you. Do your best to ensure that your stomach is free to expand on every inhale and contract on every exhale. The more you do this, the more you become aware of how appreciative you are to be able to breathe in this air. To be able to have this moment to yourself right now. To be able to give thanks. Feeling thankful for this very moment. Appreciating your lungs for allowing you to breathe. Appreciating your ears for enabling you to hear this guided meditation. Appreciating your heart and your brain for keeping you alive. And the more you do this, the more you appreciate the very basic things about your physical body that we often take for granted. It begins to build into simply feeling grateful, almost as if for no reason at all. Gratitude for the sake of gratitude. You can say out loud or in your mind, thank you. It doesn't have to be to anyone or anything. You are allowed to feel thankful, almost as if for no reason. The more you do, the more it happens. The more often you'll find yourself just simply feeling grateful, without necessarily knowing why. There's so much going on all of the time that is worthy of our gratitude. We don't need to know why we're feeling thankful. There's always a million reasons. The mere fact that there is a planet that is capable of harboring life. A planet that gives us oxygen, sunlight. Everything works so beautifully all together for us to be alive. The more scientists try to explore other galaxies where there may be planets in that sweet spot where life is possible, the more we realize how special it is that we exist. Let yourself feel so thankful for the mere fact that you exist. It's no small feat. It truly is amazing. Every moment truly is amazing. All the variations of life on this planet. The fresh water that we have access to. The clothes we're wearing. Our ability to create. Our ability to love. Notice a sense of gratitude building within you, and spend a few moments just relaxing into this feeling without having to direct it at anything in particular. Just relaxing into gratitude for the sake of gratitude. There are so many tiny miracles happening all of the time. The blood pumping through your veins. the cells that are constantly renewing, your fingernails growing, all these things that you don't have to put any effort into, and yet you're taken care of. You are always taken care of. Relax into the comfort of this, into the comfort that your body is naturally working to take care of you. Your lungs function to give you oxygen. Your heart helps you circulate blood. Your brain gives you all of your brilliant, beautiful ideas. Your bones and muscles work together to allow you to move, to enable you to hug a loved one. Your eyes allow you to view sunsets, flowers, all the beautiful things in life that you hold so dear. There is much to appreciate here. Continue to let this feeling of gratitude circulate throughout your whole being. When you're ready, take this feeling of gratitude with you as you slowly begin to bring your awareness back to this moment. Perhaps moving your sit bones from side to side, rolling your shoulders, and opening your eyes whenever you're ready.
Introducing some cutting-edge technology that literally is cutting-edge technology. Automower from Husqvarna. Automower frequently cuts the lawn, producing tiny grass clippings, so your lawn looks perfect 24/7. Learn more at automower.com.
Okay. You still in this? Good shit. Up to something. That is the support area, though. Yeah. I'm about to go outside, though, honestly. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. It's a tricky spot right here. Like, do I cut this off for $200? Just let it run. Just let it run. I can't lose. Maybe I'll move it down a little bit. Come on, drop for me, buddy. Alright, yeah, I'm just gonna leave this. Not even gonna touch it.
It's moving so slow.
She's causing. It's fine, it's out.
Oh, I closed that.
Yeah, it's okay.
It's going so slow though.
Yeah. That's today, that's what I'm thinking about. How far it went down to? Doesn't seem that far.
I think the lowest I saw it was at 2:30.
It's okay. Mm-hmm.
You said you're just gonna go to bed after, right?
Yeah, whenever you're used. Mm-hmm. Dave. Hey, man.
Hey, Terrence. Good morning.
Morning. What's going on?
Dude, just getting up, get things started.
There you go.
Yeah, how about you?
I was on already. Wow. Look at this.
Oh, wow.
I started one, and then yeah. I just been waiting
Okay.
here.
So we're right here in the open,
Right.
watching for movement,
Yep.
watching price action.
How does that even make sense? I just want you to be so you understand.
Where is your stop?
Right here.
Well, it hit it, so it had to be like right over the top or something.
Yeah. Right here. I tell you, boy.
Morning.
Got the green mask on today, based off the full green week. Only after we have a full green week can we wear the green boy. Let's go. Just stopped us out on that trade in the green for what, $60? As you guys see though, what a drop. And of course some retracement. Let's close out our sim trade. D, so you were watching the other race?
We watched the
Aberjan or whatever it is?
Yeah,
Yeah, I know what you I don't know what that is myself.
Yeah, we had it recorded, so we watched that one.
Okay.
And I remember when Rudd and you and I were talking about that one, you guys were like talking like something crazy happened at the end. And you're like, oh yeah, it's great. It was just a standard race where Max won by 19 seconds.
Yeah, I think, but you didn't see all that stuff that was happening in between?
What do you mean?
Like Max wasn't in front. Sergio was in front. And then the only reason that happened is because Charles's car blew up, man. Charles had that race in the bag. So that whole dynamic is
guy, right?
Huh?
The Ferrari
Right.
guy?
That whole dynamic has changed the whole entire thing for the race, like overall race championship. So you got to remember each race is addition to the race championship points. Every race you're basically collecting points. If you win, you get 25. If you get a DNF, you get 0.
Right.
So Charles got a DNF. So that's the crazy part. You got to really look at the points, because if Charles had won that race, he would have been right back, basically almost at the front.
Okay.
Yeah, but now, especially after this weekend, Max is looking good.
He's pulling away. Okay, I see what you're saying.
Yeah.
I'm looking for the race to be really dynamic.
Oh, nah. Even this race this weekend, It was a little, maybe 1 or 2 times he stopped for a pit stop and he lost the lead, but then this dude just got it right back. This guy's a savage.
We're gonna watch that one here probably this week, so
Right.
people won't see it.
I got you. Okay.
Yeah. No, dude, okay, so I understand now.
Right. Yeah, you always, and like, when people overtake, they get points. When they're overtaken, they lose points.
Oh.
Yeah, man.
What's the DSR or
Oh, DRS?
DRS?
Drag
What's that?
reduction system. So if you look at the back of those cars,
Yeah.
they'll open the little flap that's on the wing.
Right.
So then the air comes down, pushes the car down. So you're really under the wind. And then you're also getting drag from the car in front of you. And you probably get a good boost of speed from that alone. You get a
Right.
nice boost of speed.
Okay, so is that who determines when those flaps open and close?
So that's the race control. And you have to be within a second of the person.
And somebody outside your car turns that on and off?
No, he turns it on. The driver.
Okay, so the driver has to be within 1 second of the person in front of him.
Yeah. Then he can use it
Then you can use it.
on the straights.
Okay.
Yep.
Okay.
And you really only want to use this thing on the straight. You might kill yourself if you do it on the corner.
Because you'll spin out.
Yeah.
You won't have the downforce.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah, dude. This stuff it's quite interesting learning about Formula One. And I was watching like inside the cars. Like, dude, the drivers have to do a lot.
Mm-hmm.
He's got to turn off the battery. He's got to know when to recharge the battery. I mean, the crew's helping him, but all of this, dude, while he's going 200 miles per hour.
Right.
It's pretty crazy stuff.
You mean so there's a battery that needs to be charged so the DSR can work?
Right, and then you have a battery and you have fuel, and then you kind of mix. So you basically use the fuel, but then you use the battery for like defense, offense. Like if I'm gonna overtake somebody, I probably use the battery.
Yeah.
If someone's trying to overtake me, you probably use the battery, get a little speed, and block them off.
Yeah.
It's basically that little nitro boost, but the DRS is really the ultra boost.
Yeah, it was cool to watch that part of it work.
Yeah, it's just freaking out of nowhere. He's gaining on the person in front of him.
Yeah, because it reduces the amount of downforce on the back tire on the car,
Right.
so it can go forward faster.
Mm-hmm.
So that's pretty cool.
And then don't worry, we're gonna be there. We're gonna be there in the DRS zone.
Let's do a little DRS trading here.
Yeah, let's please.
Yeah. Yeah.
Open up the flaps.
Open up the flap. So, market today seems to be a little bit low in volume.
Yeah, of course.
So we're trading within some ranges here. Just got to make some smart entries now.
Right. I entered a short, breaking out of the ascending triangle. What, about 11371? I put my stop to break even. They literally came back. I got $60 out of it. Then they went up to 11375 and then just crashed.
Okay, yeah.
So
I've
that
seen it.
4-2 could have been a good 25, 20-30 points.
Nice.
But yeah, like I said, I only got out for 60, but I don't mind as long as my stop's in the green.
Yep, long stops in the green.
Okay.
Yeah.
That was like 40 and a mom.
What?
That's Pascal's,
She looks like your age.
yeah.
Where is she? Bonnaroo?
No, I think she's in New York somewhere.
Hmm.
She's like, oh, I'm gonna be out there for a shot. My cousin, the guy, for his birthday, I better see you.
Greened out, boy. I wonder if this area now is more so like this. Maybe. This is exactly what I wanted to do again. Just literally margins. I'm just a few fine margins away. Let me take my little M&Q trade. So D, what day are you on now?
I think this will be day 6.
Okay, good stuff. Yeah, same. Yeah. So we got 4 more days, baby. And you did a 50, right?
What's that?
You did a 50, right?
A 50.
A 50K?
Yeah, 50K. Yeah. So I'm just looking for $200 to $300 a day.
Yes, sir. You got this, man. You got this, my dude. You guys, Dave, you want to switch over to the other group? Is Rudd calling?
I don't know. Let's see.
I can't really see when anybody's calling, but I hear the notification.
Oh yeah, Patch is online. So let's go. Let's go over there.
All right, I'll see you in a sec.
Okay.
Let me stop. I forget I was stream.
See you online. You've been a hard-working man.
Yeah, man, it's crazy here.
Yeah, he's hard working to get his replacement done.
Yeah, so yeah, it's I didn't expect to be so busy this time of year, but yes, it is. It is what it is.
Yeah, it's all right. That's good.
Hey, did you see the race, guys?
Man, come on.
I didn't see the Canadian race, but I watched the previous Alipa Jabbar race.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So we'll watch the Canadian race this week.
Okay. Because it was really the strategy was really something.
Right.
Oh yeah.
It was at least the last 15 rounds. It was so close between these two guys. And
Max still pulled it off with no tires, baby. No tires. This guy is amazing.
You know, it's very difficult to beat them in these type of situations.
Right. No tires.
Normally, when it is the other way around, when Max would be behind Sainz, he will be able to pass.
Yeah.
He will find a way.
Yes, he will. That's a different story.
That's the difference. Yeah. And I think Charles Leclerc would also be able to pass Max. But on the other hand, when he passes Max, then
Max will pass
has
him
a
back.
DRS and will get him back.
Right.
So yeah.
Me and Dave were just talking about our DRS.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I didn't understand DRS, so
Yeah. So there are when you have a game, when you have a race, there are 2 or 3 DRS points. So that's what they call them. And you know the wing on the back is normally it's like a vertical wing.
yeah.
But when DRS is on, they switch the wing to flat. This means that they have less resistance, and they can catch the one in front of them.
Yeah.
So they have extra speed. So because what will happen there is that they also have how you call that when a car is in front of you, the wind will suck you to that car.
Yeah.
So it's like I think it's called a tow in English, or not?
Yeah, basically.
A draft.
Yeah, in racing they call it a tow.
Okay.
Well, maybe it's a word that they self-invented, but yeah, I very often hear tow in English.
Okay. Yeah,
But that makes it very attractive for the watches because cars nowadays can run really narrow to each other, behind each other. Because in the car from last year that was not possible because there was the air which was coming from the car before, so the car which was ahead, the hot air was really messing up the balance for the car which was following.
Okay.
And so that's why they invented new cars which where the aerodynamics are much better, so that they can really run close together.
Oh wow.
Stop, Phil.
And that they can also overtake each other. And I must say, it really works. It is much better than it was.
So you think this is now better, like Formula One in general? They didn't have DRS before.
DRS they have since 2012.
Wow.
Okay.
So it is all already for a long time, and it's they introduced it to make the races more attractive for watchers.
Mm-hmm.
That people can overtake and everything.
I could say definitely. I look forward to that as a new Formula One watcher over these past few this year and last year. So I would say I could not imagine it without. Because if somebody is in,
can you already imagine what will happen when they will race in Las Vegas through the strip?
Amazing! I will be there with my camera. I can imagine what will happen.
I would really love to see this.
Yeah.
And the sound that they make when they are driving.
I think this is also a good time to say where we should sit. We should sit in the DRS zone. That's where we should be.
That's true. That would be to have a vantage point to watch the DRS zone would be really cool.
Right.
On the straightaway.
I think that's our plan, guys.
I think there will be so many people trying to get a ticket.
Yeah, but don't worry.
Yeah, are you?
Don't worry. The Roach Gang industry has connections, and
don't worry about that. We will find a way.
Yeah, so I will watch Zandvoort live. I have tickets for that. Here in the Netherlands.
Oh, the one. The one in where you are.
Yeah, in Zandvoort. I have tickets for that one.
Oh, hell yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
And you didn't even invite us to come with you. Come on, what's wrong, Red?
Yeah,
If you can fly to Vegas, we can fly to Holland.
sure. But it's about there's more to it than just tickets. You need a place to stay. You need a place to. That's
You got a place.
He said you got a
so,
place.
so we were very lucky because we met people in Canada
Ah,
in our trip, and they live very near to Zandvoort. These are
okay.
people who live in Hillegom,
Uh-huh.
and they are also Formula One complete addicted guys.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
and then the son ordered tickets last year, and he ordered a lot. So they were with a group of people, and everyone tried to get tickets. So and suddenly he got tickets, and another one got tickets. So they had around 20 tickets.
Mm-hmm.
20 tickets means 10,000 euros, which you need to pay. Yeah.
Oh, wow.
That's a ticket is 500 euros.
Oh, God.
So that's why they asked us, "Are you interested?" Yes, of course I'm interested. So that's how I got to my tickets, because they were able to get many tickets at that time.
Right.
Wow.
And it will be quite a job to get tickets for Las Vegas, I can tell you.
Yeah.
But it's also then when you have the tickets, then you need a place to stay. Yeah.
Dimitri.
Yeah.
Yeah. Maybe Dimitri. Well, I'm very easy. When I'm asleep, you can put me to the wall and I will sleep perfectly.
Especially after some nice whiskey, right? No
Of
problem.
course.
Because
Yes. Especially after whiskey.
you'll sleep. You
Yeah,
put it
that's
through
good.
the wall.
Well, what date is the race there? When are you going to go?
Yeah. Terence, do you know when it is?
Oh, I think he's talking about in the Netherlands.
Yeah, I will watch. So Vegas, Formula One.
Vegas is in November. I know that, near probably Thanksgiving weekend.
Okay.
Next year, right?
Yeah, next
Yeah.
year.
Just want to be clear about this. I don't want to have to sell everything to get. Well,
Yeah.
yeah, this year. I was gonna say, this year I'm trying to go to Turkey for Thanksgiving, Dave.
Oh, wow. That's interesting. That'd be fun.
Oh, it's in November 2023. But is there a date or something?
2023, baby.
Yeah.
3. Gotta go. By then, Max should be almost 3-time year running world champion. That's nice.
Yeah.
That would be crazy.
Yeah. So if he will be world champion this year, then next year we have another competition, and it would be great to see what happens then. Huh?
Amazing. I'm looking
But
for
I must say Ferrari is really strong at the moment, even if they have these broken.
not the
at
cars, so it doesn't matter. You can't run out there. You need the car.
time. Yeah.
I don't know what's going on.
But have you seen the qualifying on Saturday?
In the rain?
No.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah, man, that was so we call Max the rain master, because there's nobody who can drive so quick in wet circumstances. And he was 1 second ahead of everyone.
Yeah.
So the route is 6 kilometers, and then they do it in 1 minute and 35 seconds. And still he's able to manage to be 1 second ahead in front of the rest.
Right. And
Wow.
they go, hey, it's about to start raining. He goes, oh, that's lovely.
Yeah. Oh, that's good.
He
That's fine.
loves the rain,
Yeah.
this guy. What?
Yeah. There are many people who said, oh shit, rain again. But Max, no. He says, oh, that's lovely.
That's great. I'll turn on the turbo boost.
Yeah. Yeah. so there's a video of him racing in Brazil, and I forget what year it was. Was that 2018 something? And he was on position 19, and then the rain really poured out of the sky, and he just drove everybody like they were in a reverse, the other ones. But he was passing everyone, and he ended as the second one. And also Hamilton was at that time already taken by Max. If it was one round extra, probably Max would taken Hamilton as well, so that he would win the race. But it was just one round too short. Otherwise, he would have won the race.
Did this guy win his first race in Formula One?
Yeah. So when Max entered Formula
I was
One,
looking at that.
At the age of 18, in his first run for Red Bull, so he has never touched that car. He was always driving for Toro Rosso, which is a kind of sister team. So the low finance team from Red Bull.
Right.
So so in Toro Rosso we have the young drivers, and they get trained to become a Red Bull racer. So he was in Toro Rosso at that time, and he was in the age of 16. He was already driving Formula One. That people said, "Are you crazy? You can't let a guy from 16 years old drive a Formula One car." And then he was doing such a good job that Helmut Marko, which is the owner of the Red Bull, said, "Okay, I'm going to switch David Kvyat, which was in the Red Bull team, for Max Verstappen." So Max Verstappen, when he was 18, he had his first drive in Barcelona, and he won that race. Never drove a Red Bull car, and he won that race. That was never happened ever before.
Wow.
Yeah, that was something. That was, if you get, sometimes you have these sporting moments that you really get emotional. That was really emotional. That somebody of his age is able to push the limits so far.
This guy is just amazing.
And Kimi Raikkonen all the race was behind Max Verstappen, and he was not able to pass. And Kimi Raikkonen was also a good driver.
I'm going to like seeing for next year, I think, George versus Max. George Russell versus Max is going to be good stuff. I think maybe even better than Charles and Max.
George Russell is really Formula One World Championship material.
Right.
He's very good.
And I think out of everybody, he's just like.
I think he's much better than Hamilton.
Right. He's a professional, man.
Yeah.
We are just busting up out of this channel. I don't really see much as yet. I'm always looking to go short. But we shall see. You guys see anything on your end?
Not yet.
I see a resistance line.
I'm looking for a short, but it's not there yet. It's we're fighting too much right now.
Right. And I think people just took profit on that short move down.
Yeah.
So, is the market closed in the afternoon?
Yeah, by 1 o'clock.
All right. Okay, it's good to know.
Yeah, you maybe want to probably stop trading. They said by 12 though.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, I'm gonna maybe another hour and a half on here. I'm out. always such a mind game with yourself, because now I'm like, oh, I wish I would have took that 200. No, I don't. I wish I would have had the freaking move.
When it's time for an adventure on the open highway, one quick call to American Family Insurance.
And what I gotta start realizing, you see the pattern that I drew here? So this is the pattern.
From roadside assistance to rental car coverage,
This one,
we have you covered.
really this one.
Forget a quote at amfam.com.
I'll stop it. It needs to be in there. You know what I mean?
American Family Mutual
Keep it
Insurance
in
Company,
here.
SI, and its operating
Right
company,
here.
6,000
Because
American
then
Family
that's the
Tax
failure.
System.
If they break back in it. Not if they come up out here. It's got nothing to do with this thing that I'm looking at. So that makes sense. So have you guys decided what you guys are going to be doing for summer?
In what regards?
I thought you guys both said you guys were going to go somewhere. And oh yeah, Dave, I tried to text you, man. I don't know. You said it was your birthday?
Yeah, this week, the 23rd.
Oh, this week. I got you.
Yeah.
So, any special wishes, Dave?
Yeah.
Yeah, Green Days.
For your birthday? People will say for your birthday? Yes, for my birthday and every day.
Yeah, no, we this past weekend we went to the casino and went down to San Diego, and that's what we did. And Laurel won. She won big on the slot machines,
Hell yeah.
and I lost just a little bit in the craps tables.
Evens out.
Yeah. So it was a good weekend. It was lots of fun.
Good, man. Glad you had some fun. You deserve it.
Thanks, man.
Yeah.
So volume is really low right now. It's a
Yeah,
little,
it's not moving a lot, huh?
no.
Probably I will leave it for today. It's nothing going on here.
Yeah.
I'm looking for this big move up to give me some kind of short. That's it. If I don't see that, I'm good.
Okay, we are moving up now.
As fast as it goes up, I'm always looking for it to drop.
375 is the Fibonacci level.
So, can you just keep that password, whatever? So if I'm up there and we want to book somewhere, can you be able to book it for me, you think? And get it at a cheaper price? Just check, let me see. The gang is back in town. Man, are we ever gonna get Jen and
Dimitri back?
yeah, just at least one time for one day, all of us?
Yeah. That'd be nice.
I've never been on Zoom with everyone. It's always, well, we all, us three are, and we had Dimitri. Then I saw Jen, maybe 4 times. After that, just the 3 Musketeers.
Yeah.
FOMC member speaks again in 2 hours? Really? Okay, I like that little sell-off. It's a good look.
Okay, this looks like a short.
This is where I want to go. New high. First entry pullback, second entry. Close below the EMA. Oof.
Order filled.
This is my last one for the day here. I just took a short. Let us see what happens. Like how they wicked out that 5-minute candle. Just need to see some more sellers come in. Give us some support. But I'll eat that 260 loss if not. Let's see. And I'm looking for the new low of that down channel. Maybe a little too early? What do they think? What do you guys think? What does the market think about the entry? Here they come. Come on, sellers. Don't you guys want to come out and party?
So,
We got drinks.
I got drinks and appetizers. Let's go.
Could turn on the grill. Oh man.
I could use a drink. I have a sore throat. So,
You have a sore throat?
yeah.
That helps? You know that sounds like Jamaica. If you have a flu, and I'll go to my uncle, I'm like, oh, I'm feeling a little sick here, man. He'd be like, oh, come over here. He give you a shot of rum and a lemon. He said, you should be fine. He said, you'll sweat it out. You'll sweat it out. Oh man.
So it's still not much movement.
Nope, not yet.
Is there any news today?
There's news coming up in an hour.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh yeah, come see.
You're trying to trap two sets of people here.
Speaks.
Don't trap the sellers. Trap the buyers. Trap them. Trap them on them.
So what happened to Bitcoin, guys?
Man, Bitcoin is doing the same thing it usually does.
Yeah.
It's condensing right now, and then it's going to explode. See, it retraces. It's like one of those things that has a shell. It goes out the shell, then it retraces. Anybody who's not really believing in it, they shake them out. They bring the price down terribly. Like you would not want to go in there at all. Then after that, it just explodes right back up. I feel like when it went from 20,000 to about 2,000, people should have known this is how this thing is. But people are just jumping into something they have no idea about. And now they're scared.
Yeah. I think a lot of people lost a lot of money.
Yeah?
I'm not in Bitcoin, but
For me, these things are just like trading. If you're in it, make sure you understand it and don't just jump in. And you have
yeah,
to.
I think I see a buy here.
Yeah, I'm still in this short.
Okay, let's see if we can do. It's retracing again. All right.
That's good. Come on. They look like they wanted to explode, but
And there's no volume.
come on. Get down here, buddy.
Order submitted.
Get down, buddy. My stop is at 8-1. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. Stay below. Stay below there. They seem like they want to stop me out.
There's hardly any volume, huh?
Yeah.
I don't think I'm going to trade the Apex now.
Pushing. Oh man. They pushed out of it. Come on. Come on.
Find a local agent or get a quote at amfam.com.
I really should cut this though. Already down 3 something.
Insurance company, SI and its operating company, 6000 American Parkway, Madison, Wisconsin.
Come on. Just slap them. Just hit them a slap for me. So that 5-minute wicked out bar looks like a trap. My stop is at 380. 82 actually, 1 tick above. But this wicked out bar was nothing but a trap. Bastards. Thought this was gonna be resistance. Saw this right here. Saw this right here. Not a bad trade. I will take that trade. Not a bad trade, buddy.
On TikTok there was another Dutch guy who was a bit funny. So he's saying, my ex-wife had only one bad habit, and that's breathing.
Yo, what?
Okay, I get a call. Wait a moment. Hey.
Stuff he said to you. Like,
Jij bent opgelost. Wat, de run report bedoel je? Oh, geweldig.
Wow, Terrence, there's like so little movement, it's just nerve-wracking.
dude, I'm just sitting in the trade watching it, and I hate watching trades.
Yeah, I like my trades to be over pretty quick.
Yeah, dude, this one's... I can't cut it, though. They gotta hit the stop. That's my rule. This is slow grind up.
Yeah, I'm not sure where this is going. It's really like,
For me, it looks like it's gonna go up because they just cannot drop it back below this resistance. Unless they just slam it real quick, it's gonna go up.
yeah.
Be down, what, like 300?
There it goes. It's gonna go up now.
Three something.
So I moved out of Apex back into Sim.
Yeah.
I'm not confident to do an Apex right now.
Don't do it then, man.
Yeah.
There's no need. Take a little M&Q trade to lock in for your day. You know what I mean? So you
That's a great idea.
Just take one real quick. That's what I've been doing ever since I passed it. Just one in and out. Like, dude, I see $1, even $3, whatever, $1.50. I just close it out, dude.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
But because you know you want to get this day added.
Yeah.
Hate when these bastards give you false hope. Like, so they just wicked out that candle down. All to do what? Make another big bearish candle? Like, come on.
No, it's going down.
Really? Oh. I'm like, no. See what I mean? It's a little false hope. It's a little false hope right there.
There is like zero volume in MNQ.
Yeah, man, just real quick.
There's nothing going on.
That's even better. Just real quick. That's what I mean. Just open and close the trade. Oh, there they go. Get down.
I think MNQ is closed for the day.
Nah, it's open. I took one before.
Oh, you did? Because it said that you can't have a zero limit.
You know what that means. There it goes. 312. Not bad. But yeah, I'm gonna be done for the day too. I'm not doing any more.
Yeah, I'm not even gonna. It's saying there's no market data for MNQ. All right. Thanks. It'll be too big again.
Yo, Gavin, what's good? Oh, this is Gavin.
This is really sketch right now.
Yeah. I was
Oh,
looking.
I know why. I know why. Because I was doing the wrong freaking month for M and N and Q.
Oh yeah.
So I need to go to micros
Switch over.
and switch over. So I gotta. Okay, that makes sense. So data series. There we go.
Gonna see right here.
I see movement now in M and Q.
There you go.
Yeah. Okay.
Did you snag one?
Not yet. Going to.
Where's Rod? He's...
On the call.
Oh yeah.
When it comes to summer, Uber Eats has got your back. Think drinks by the pool, snacks on the beach, barbecue in the yard, or brushing your teeth on a boat. Speed up your summer with Uber Eats. You can now
Jeez.
get anything from
All right. I just took one. I took a couple $1 loss. But at least I got the trade for the day.
Yeah, man, you're good. You locked in.
order on the Uber Eats app. Not literally.
And
So
like I
let's
said,
get rid of this.
just let it be.
Select things only, 21
Yeah.
and older to purchase. See app for details.
Yeah. Yeah, I was hoping to get one full trade in, but nothing's happening, man.
Yeah, man. Even now, like, it's not exploding up. They should have just caught some shorts. Nothing's happened.
Yeah. All right, dude. I'm gonna call it a day.
All right, man. Good stuff.
Don't need to belabor this, so we'll just see you tomorrow. Have some good trades.
All right, man. See you.
All right. Later.
Later. I'm about to. Oh man. I don't know. To be honest. Because it looks to me they still can't pass this on.
So I expect it to not.
Same thing. But do I really want to take this again? We'll be down 500 if I lose. I'm only at like 3,006 right now. If I do take off that, I'll be at like 3,003 something.
And what line are you talking about?
This one and this one. Look at this. See how they go up a little bit, come back, go up a little bit, come back. And this line right here. Look at this. We're going up big, boom, boom. Looking at this right here.
What time are you supposed to do the call with this?
After I'm done with this.
Son and his dad, but my 1-year-old had other ideas.
Oh, knock it off. Let me go.
I was taking a
Dude, I'm cash is crazy. He's a Haitian dude. Oh gosh.
This is what your scheduled a holiday?
Mm-hmm. I'm on Simdo.
Yeah.
I honestly might just call it because nothing was happening. So let's do that. I'm off this. Back again tomorrow, but last day for the week because I won't be here all week. I'll upload some shorts though. And we out.